Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. The AVAX chart continues to push higher. We've made a new high today, no, yesterday on Sunday. Yeah, a new price high was made, and we currently see that the price is moving likely in this white wave structure. I do not consider this really anymore a high B wave. I mean, it technically could be, but it's not what I primarily follow. Already in the last video, I suggested to you that we would like to see this white structure play out, targeting around about $54 next. Not as final target possibly, but it should be a significant resistance level. It's the next major Fibonacci level because it is the, oops, let me zoom out. It's here the golden ratio. And in addition to that, if we scroll to the left, oh, it might be my Wi-Fi that's a bit slow today, but when the chart updates, if it updates, then yep, you'll see that around this level, around $54, there was a lot of previous support and resistance. Yeah, so for example, it was here before the breakdown in 22. We had support here in January 22. We had support here, and it's generally an area here as well. Yeah, we had resistance in this region. It's generally an area of interest, and then it comes together with the main Fibonacci level. So it's just something to be aware of, and it's sort of the next major Fib level. I don't know if it's going to stop there. I take the approach that I take on the Solana chart as well. Might just take a while to update. There you go. Which is, okay, we've reached already my target. I mean, my target was originally between $30 and $40. So above $40, I adopted approach that I said, okay, you know, this can easily still extend higher to the next Fib level, but it's basically not really possible to give further targets. We take it level by level. Yeah, I can give you the next target, and then we just follow the support that the Elliott waves will help us to identify. And those support levels, as long as they are holding, we can watch for another high, okay? And keep going with the trend. You know, we don't want to, especially with crypto rallies, we don't want to call tops in place too early. So at the moment, AVAX is obviously at $48, not far away from the 54, the next 54 target level that we've been talking about for last week or so. The price already, you know, reached $50, and in there are obviously two wave counts here. There's one, they're both bullish at the moment, okay? And I would minimally need to see a break below $39. Actually, we can adjust it slightly now. It's sort of, well, okay, $39. I would minimally need to see a break below $39 to suggest that some kind of a top has formed here on this chart. Some kind of a top. And until then, we can just simply follow the white wave structure, which suggests that we might be in the third wave still here of the white wave count, ending diagonal, a third wave in the fifth wave. We might then still see a 4 and 5. I'm not too confident about the microstructure. Yeah, I'm not too confident. We could also take it away and I simply track support without the wave count. And again, you know, I'm focusing on higher as long as the $39 level is holding. It really takes a break below that level to suggest that something more bearish is going on. But for now, there is no, there is no weakness on the chart. And it looks as if the price was quite motivated to get to that $54 level. Really just a quick update. Yeah, I think we are in this ending diagonal, and it probably started down here. I would have to move the wave 4 here then, you know, to that 13th of December low. And the price is obviously moving up in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, still unfolding most likely. Yeah, this was just the A wave. This was the B wave. We're now moving up in the wave C, then a 4 and a 5. Reason for this ABC structure is wave 1 was also an ABC. Just has to do with the fact that this is likely a diagonal pattern, okay? And in an ending diagonal, these subwave structures are always ABC structures. So the third wave should still push higher. I mean, maybe we even go beyond 54, you know. This is what about, you know, the market has to decide this, you know, the bulls and the bears. The thing is, what we can do is to identify the relevant support and when the trend is likely changing. That's, you know, after targets have been reached, that's a really valuable approach in crypto. Because there will be a lot of people who say, okay, it's going to go here and then it comes down. You know, I think it's close to a top or something. And I think it's close to a top, but at the same time, from a mindset point of view and strategic point of view, I have to say, okay, we're in a crypto rally. It's a bullish market. It has been for a while. And we don't want to stand in the way of such a rally. We know that cryptos can extend way beyond what people think is reasonable. And so we simply track support. And until the support level breaks, at some point we want it to break to give us the signal that a deeper pullback is occurring. That's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.